Hi, today in Kimberly's kitchen, I'm going to show you how to roast spaghetti squash seeds, much similar to pumpkin seeds. Now you're going to get a medium-sized spaghetti squash and very carefully cut a little slice off of each end. This will help you stabilize it as you're cutting down the center. Now carefully cut your squash in half. And there's the inside of your squash. Take a spoon and scrape out all the seeds and fibers down to the meat of the spaghetti squash. And there's what it looks like. And now you're going to separate the seeds from the fibers. This could take a few minutes. And then you're going to thoroughly rinse the seeds under some water, making sure all the fibers are off. And now you're ready to dry them. Spread them out evenly on a clean, dry towel. I'm going to make 2 batches today, 1 savory and 1 hot. You can use whatever flavor you choose. Be creative. Now that my seeds are dried and I'm ready to season them, I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of liquified coconut oil to each bowl. And in my first batch, I'm going to use some granulated garlic, and some pink Himalayan sea salt. And just a toss to coat the seeds. And now my second batch, I'm going to use some cayenne pepper and also some pink Himalayan sea salt. And toss those as well. Now spread them out on a clean baking sheet, nice and even. Try not to overlap your seeds. Now your seeds are ready to roast in a 350-degree oven for 30 minutes, checking them after 15 minutes until they are done. Once the seeds are done, let them cool and then scrape them into a nice serving dish. And they will also keep for a few weeks in an airtight container. Don't those look delicious? Roasted spaghetti squash seeds. A healthy, nutritious snack.